The Atlantic, Cedar Point, and nowhere else to be. This is 20 Rebecca Road in Scituate, and the porch alone is worth the trip. I'm Dawn Hadley with England Volker's South Shore, and today I'm taking you through this entire home, the neighborhood around it, and what life actually looks like when you lived here. Let's start outside. This is a shingle-style beach house, freshly painted inside and out, top to bottom, sitting right in Scituate Cedar Point neighborhood. Mornings here come with salty ocean air, and in the evenings, the sunset shows up off to the west, golden and full of color, right from this front porch. Out the front door, your steps from tidal beach access. There's an outdoor shower for after the beach and custom under-house storage built specifically for paddleboards. Parking is 4 off-street spots, which on this stretch of the South Shore is hard to come by. Step inside and find fir floors run through the main living spaces, giving the place a warm, easy beach house feel underfoot. Two of the 3 bedrooms have beadboard walls, which adds real character you usually don't find in newer construction. Upstairs, all 3 bedrooms have water views, so you're waking up to the same view every morning, no matter which room you're in. Tile floors are in the kitchen and bathrooms. This is the room people remember. Bright white cabinetry, a Wolf 4-burner gas range, and a window right over the sink that looks out over the marsh to Scituate Lighthouse. It's the kind of view that makes doing the dishes feel like a moment instead of a chore. Laundry and pantry are conveniently located right off the kitchen, so daily life stays simple. Now, let's talk about what's around you, because this is where the lifestyle really comes together. A short distance from the house, Scituate Harbor has a real concentration of local spots. Salt Society, Casa Verde, Latin Kitchen are just 3 of the most talked about restaurants in town. For something more casual, there's Galley Kitchen and Bar, Iberian Tavern, and Chopsticks and Forks. Lucky Finn is the easy coffee run, and Nona's Homemade Ice Cream is the after-dinner stop that never disappoints. If you're a boater, this area has options. Scituate Harbor Yacht Club, Scituate Boat Club, and Bullman Marine at the Waterfront Club all sit along this stretch of the harbor. The Jericho Boat Launch is right here too if you just want to get out on the water without a slip. If you want a night out that isn't dinner, the Real Harbor Theater is right here too. Beyond the harbor, day-to-day errands are simple. This is a thriving downtown with many local shops and friendly merchants. Sand Hills General Store is the kind of local shop you'll find yourself at more than you expect. This is a neighborhood where you can genuinely live without getting in the car for most of what you need and still be close enough to commute to Boston. For anyone commuting, the Greenbush commuter rail station is just 3 miles from the house, which makes this a realistic option even if you're working in Boston a few days a week. This home was just freshly painted top to bottom, so it's ready to move in without a single project waiting for you on day 1. Come see me at 20 Rebecca Road in Scituate. I'll be open Thursday from 4 to 6:30, Friday from 11 to 2, and Saturday 11 to 2. 20 Rebecca Road gives you a real beach house, a walkable harbor neighborhood with some of the best food on South Shore, and an easy commute, all on Cedar Point in Scituate. Dawn Hadley with England Volker's South Shore. delivering expert guidance with genuine care and proven results.